Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Tech. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to gain an early access point on SOS Testnet. Okay, so would you like to subscribe to my channel? Alright, turn on the notification bar. So once you click on the link or you search for this particular code, this particular link is going to be on my channel, on my group, WhatsApp group. Alright, so make sure to join my WhatsApp group and get the link. So once you click on it, then you click on connect wallet. Alright, you can make use of MetaMask, your OKS wallet, or making use of OKS wallet browser. Okay, so we're going to ask you to confirm your address. Then it's going to confirm this way for you. Then the next thing you need to do here, you follow then on Twitter, which is we're going to link your Twitter, your Discord, join them on Discord. Then you can copy your invitation code. Alright, you can see I follow them. It's just a one-time task. Then daily check-in, which is very important. Then copy your own link. Alright, copy your own link. Then you can also do spinning also. Alright, so there's a new task they added to this particular update here. It's on their Discord. Okay, it's new updates. You can be doing your daily check-in to their Discord if your this thing is not working. Alright, so how to check in here on OS? The link is going to be on my WhatsApp. You can see this is the Blessed Tech Academy. It's going to be on my WhatsApp group link. So for you to get my WhatsApp group link, now click on that description of my main profile. Okay, you're going to see my group link there. Then so this is the OS Discord address. Alright, click on accept invite. So it's going to take some time because I've already joined this one. This is mega, but hold on, it's going to display the SO address, the main group, for you to access it. So once it shows this way, click on my account. Alright, make sure the same Discord that you connected that you're going to join here to verify. It has to verify. Once you've been verified, then you can see your daily check-in here, your every numbers, every address, then your points, then invite again. Alright, you can get audio access. You can click on check-in here. I've already done my today, so it's going to show this way for me. So go to my main descriptions. If you see that, you will see my WhatsApp group link over there. Alright, click on it. It will take you directly to my WhatsApp group. Then you'll be able to see all my testnet I'm participating on. I'll be repeating all the testnets I'm doing. Alright, you can also email me on my Gmail address there. Then I'll be able to add you up on my WhatsApp. Please do like, subscribe to my channel. Alright, you can also check some testnets that I'm running over here. You can see main testnets here, mega. We have so many mining apps that we're doing, and so on and so forth as well.